Hi, this is Susie. Today I'm planting rose bushes, and I got them in this huge pot here, and we'll see how these come out. I never put rose bushes in a container. It's almost like an experiment here. This one here is Rio Samba, beautiful yellow rose. This one here. And this one over here is American Dream, beautiful red rose. And in this pot here, a little tip for you. This has like big holes in it. And if the holes are a little too big, sometimes the dirt will drain out. So what I do is use coffee filters. And that'll stop the dirt from draining out through the bottom. So I just spread them all around and cover up the holes, and then I add the dirt to it. And then, sorry about my fingers. And this one here is Angel Face, beautiful purple. These are going to be pretty. And that one's going to go in this pot right here. As I put dirt in there. What I'm trying to do is make a little container garden out here by the porch. And I happen to have a lot of extra pots around. This one's huge. I got 2 of them. Okay, I just wanted to show you my roses. And I'll keep you updated on everything with the roses. They're already starting to have some vines coming up here. All right, thank you for watching. This is Susie. I have more to come. Bye-bye.